The Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission presents JADCO and You.
Mission accomplished. 250 student athletes have been presented with Samsung tablets by the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission JADCO. These athletes now have anti-doping information at their fingertips. All participants in the 2020 series of Junior Athletes Anti-Doping Education Workshops have received tokens from JADCO. More student athletes and their support personnel are now knowledgeable about the National Anti-Doping Program. During 2021, in an attempt to spread the anti-doping message across the island, the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission JADCO presented 250 Samsung Galaxy tablets to several student athletes across the island. It all started on Wednesday, January 6, when Guys Hill High School, Ensom City Primary School and Eltham Park Primary School were presented with a total of 95 Samsung tablets. During the months of January and February, the Commission continued to host handover ceremonies at several secondary schools across the island. 4 additional high schools were presented with Samsung Galaxy tablets because of their participation in the 2020 series of Junior Athletes Anti-Doping Education Workshops. The workshops were held virtually for the first time due to the impact of the coronavirus pandemic. Fogo Road High School in Clarendon was presented with 25 Samsung tablets during a ceremony held at the school on Thursday, January 21, 2021. Fogo Road High School had the most participants online for Region 2, which includes schools from Clarendon, Manchester and St. Elizabeth. Holland High School was presented with 25 Samsung tablets on Wednesday, February 3, 2021, for having the most participants online for Region 3, which includes schools from Westmount, Hanover, St. James, and sections of Trelawney. On Wednesday, February 3, 2021, Otrias High School was presented with 12 Samsung tablets for having the most participants online for Region 4, which includes schools from the parishes of St. Anne, St. Mary, Portland, and sections of Trelawney. On Tuesday, June 1, 2021, the institution was presented with 10 additional devices. Montego Bay High School was also presented with 13 Samsung tablets for having a high turnout online at the workshop in which they participated. As part of the Commission's outreach activities during the months of May and June, the Commission also presented an additional 60 Samsung tablets to several primary schools and 10 Samsung tablets to Magotty High School. Members of Parliament from several regions shared their opinion of JADCO's decision to present student athletes with Samsung tablets.
The sponsorship today will make a huge impact and a huge difference in the lives of many children.
To see a need and to meet it without anybody asking you to meet it shows that you are considerate of what you are actually seeing.
The principals from several institutions also expressed their gratitude to JADCO.
The presentation of tablets to Holland is quite timely, as our context presents a great challenge for students with connectivity and access to devices for online learning. So this will go a far way in reaching more students.
I must say that the organization has been doing a tremendous job across Jamaica. You know that our students, our children are the future.
Student athletes expressed their gratitude to JADCO for the Samsung Galaxy tablets they received.
I would like to express my gratitude to JADCO for donating the tablets in order to facilitate and aid the girls in virtual learning.
I would like to say to JADCO that they are doing a good work and I hope they keep it up.
The Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission committed to the fight against doping in sport. For more information, contact JADCO's office at Balata Multiplex, 1 Balata Avenue, Kingston 10. Telephone 876-929-3500 or log on to jadco.gov.jm. Feel free to also visit their Facebook, Instagram, YouTube or Twitter pages. JADCO and You was brought to you by the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission.